Off the east coast of the United States, we have one area of disturbed weather to the north of Bermuda. This is expected to move eastbound and away from the United States, so not too concerned with that. It's going to have a very brief window where maybe it could further develop. But we have two other areas that we're watching for tropical development. We have this one wave right here that's still expected to weaken as it moves off towards the west. Some of that tropical moisture heading into the Lesser Antilles. And then we have another wave that we're watching, and then we have that cluster of some storms near Africa. So when those do merge, it'll have a better opportunity to further become a depression or even the next name storm, which is crystal ball, as it moves westbound. So let me show you what those major models are that we look at. We have the European versus the American model, the green and European, and the GFS American model is in blue. We get a good indication that we have some circulation as we head into the weekend, and then both of these big model runs keep the system due to the northeast of the Lesser Antilles Islands by Sunday, and then from there, other models, the long-range models, do keep this away from the continental United States, but still something that we're going to be watching for us regardless very, very closely. So we have all that tropical moisture near Africa, and then we have a very big area where not much is happening, and that's because we have some Saharan dust. And we'll see another plume of it moving through this week. We'll have a couple of areas of some haziness that you're going to notice through the morning hours. It's going to help trap the heat, and also it does help prevent widespread rainfall, that lasting all the way through the weekend. So very limited shower activity for the rainy season. We had this one little cluster just to the south of Wellington. Moderate to heavy rain just streaming in over the Boynton Beach area near Gulf Stream. As we take a look over Aberdeen to Sun Valley, some light to moderate shower activity off towards your west, moving westbound, driven by that easterly wind. So that's going to be the pattern. Again, a straight shower too with the onshore wind in the morning, and then from there, very limited rainfall. Now, if we do see that daytime heating with some rain, we can't rely on an isolated thunderstorm mainly inland each and every afternoon. But for the kids, first day of school, looking good this evening, just very hot with impact weather. Now, because we're not expecting a lot of rainfall, no major delays for those after school plans or even after school activities. Take a look. Temperatures will be feeling over 100 plus degrees through at least 4 or 5 p.m. And then we'll start to see those advisories being expired when we lose that daytime heating. Tomorrow, though, we'll let you know if more impact weather returns. Regardless, though, you still want to drink plenty of water, make sure the kids are staying hydrated, and if you're taking your pets out, just avoid those peak heat hours. Beach and boating seas at around 1 to 2 feet. First warning weather, 7-day forecast. We have impact weather today because of the heat advisory. We should see some more heat advisories being issued day by day, though. So again, that means temperatures will be feeling over 105 plus degrees for multiple hours. We have a heat advisory for today, and then Tuesday is going to be equally as steamy across South Florida and the Treasure Coast. Look for temperatures topping out in the 90s and feeling like the triple digits there. The heat continues all the way through the end of the week. We'll be right back after this break.